Alright, boys and girls, you are going to learn how to create a PowerPoint slide in Google Drive. So the first thing you want to do is find your green, yellow, and blue triangle. It says Google Drive. And when you go to Google Drive, you're going to see a button that has two people, and it says Shared with Me. You'll click on that. Now after you get to Shared with Me, you'll see a folder that has your name on it. Now you see all of the students' names on my computer, but you will only see your folder. So this is how you make sure that you've put, it's kind of like putting your name on your paper. So you have to go to your folder to open up the PowerPoint that you're about to create. So remember Drive, then Shared with Me, and then click on your name. So I'm in Sophia's folder. So once you're in your folder, you'll go to New, unless you've already started creating one. If you've already started creating a PowerPoint for what we're going to do, then you need to double click on that PowerPoint. But if not, so let me show you, for example, I believe Darian has already created her PowerPoint for problem solving. So here's an example of that. So she's already started one, so she doesn't need to open another one. She clicks on the one she's already been creating. But if you have not started creating one yet, then you'll go to your folder. So Jordan hasn't started creating one, so she's going to go to New. She's going to go to Google Slides, the orange button, Google Slides. She'll hit OK. So up here where it says Untitled Presentation, you're going to be creating, for this example, your own story problems. So you should title it Problem Solving. You can press pause on this video to stop and type in Problem Solving in the title. Once you've created it and titled it Problem Solving, then you can press play again. So it says click to add a title. So I'll just click in the box, and I can do the same thing here, Problem Solving. Now it says click to add a subtitle. That's where you're going to put your name, by and your name. Okay? Now that's how you create your title slide. To get a new slide, do you see this plus sign? You're going to click on the plus sign, and you're going to title it Problem 1. Then you're going to create your story problem down here. So you can go ahead and press pause to get your title slide and the plus sign for your first story problem started. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press play again to see our next step. Alright, so our next step is to create a story problem. So first, remember, you think of a topic. So I think I'll talk about apples. Then you decide if you're going to add or subtract. I think for this one I'm going to add. You pick your two numbers. I think I will add the two numbers 7 and 2. And now you start to create. I went to the apple orchard. On one tree, I picked 7 apples. Then, on the next tree, I picked 2 apples. Now, I know that a story problem ends with a question, so I have my first number with my sentence, my second number with my sentence. Now I have to have a question at the end. How many apples did I pick? Now, that is an addition story problem because I know I'm putting 7 and 2 together. Let me demonstrate a subtraction story problem. So I'll go up here to the plus sign to get a new slide, click to add a title, and this is problem 2. So first, I think this time I will talk about shooting basketballs. Or no, let me see. I don't really know a whole lot about basketball, so I think that I will talk about leaf piles. Okay, so I raked, and I think I'm going to do subtraction this time. I raked 5 leaf piles. Now, since I'm doing subtraction, I know that some of those leaf piles are going to have to go away. So I'm going to say 3 of the leaf piles blew away. The wind blew them away. I know it has to end with a question, and I'm subtracting, so I want to know how many leaf piles I still have. How many leaf piles are left? I end with a question mark. So now I've created 1 addition and 1 subtraction. I want you to go ahead and do that on your own. Please do not forget to go to Google Drive and click on your folder 2 times. Go to New and Google Slides to get started. Remember, when you go to your folder, it's just like putting your name on your paper. Go ahead and do that. Once you've done 2 problems, 1 addition, 1 subtraction, you may go on to the next video.